I know. Yeah.
I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you. Okay? It has been unlike any other year. Alright? I have a lot of support from everybody. Everybody was awesome. There were a few times when I almost lost my temper, but it wasn't because of anybody specifically. It was just the frustration of the Hajj. And you all know how it is. You've seen and experienced things you've never experienced before. Right? And I just want to thank each and every one of you, especially the ones who are at this for the first time and you're new at it. I cannot tell you how proud I am of all of you, for all the way that you guys provided, and for all the way that you guys did. There were a number of challenges, and we seem to have overcome them. Okay? I'm glad that you guys are able to get here. You guys were able to do that all afterwards. I just want to tell you all you guys are lucky that you did that. And I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I have to talk about the details of something that they're doing. I want to show you the whole stuff. And I want to tell you the audience we have today. And still over the next few days, there will be chances for you guys to come and do this interview with you guys. I'm not even going to do it for this interview. So I just want to thank all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Sameera. Thank you, Sameera. Each and every single one of you that came. My apologies if I seemed a bit rambled at times, but this was a huge project that we kind of succeeded in having here. And this, I call it a success. So that's because of all you. I'm gonna tell you guys bye for now. In a couple of days, back at CIC.
Oh, well, I
Alright? Some caps.
Hello, Eid Mubarak. Actually, I'm live. Numan Ahmed told me you have to come to live. Sure to say Eid Mubarak to all of you, and I always come. And hey, talk decently, guys. Okay, talk decently. And I was here in Makkah. I was here in Makkah for covering the Hajj for Saudi Channel 2. I did some stories, you know, I think lots of sunburn. The problem is that I have to go to Pakistan, Afghanistan, and all this. Also, I'm also hosting a documentary of United Nations, so I don't know what I will do for all this sunburn and all this. It's an
Hey,
amazing guy.
how are you guys? Sameera, best.
Thank
Don't
you.
miss the videos.
See, so keep watching Saudi Channel 2. There were so many, new people, new girls who were working, and they were good. And as a senior, I had some responsibilities to do. I did it well. And here, I want you. I know you must be interested on all these. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, this is your shop. It's a shop about the tea and tasbih. You can see. Yeah. مين هذا؟ مين هذا؟
روح بعيد هناك بس. روح بعيد الله يحفظك روح.
طيب. اوكي السلام عليكم.
هلا السلام. سبيك عربي؟
ايوه سبيك عربي.
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله. ايش اسمك؟
مصعب.
كلم عيد مبارك.
عيد مبارك سعيد. يحيى.
الاخ يحيى تحت خدمتكم 24 ساعه من هنا لهنا.
شكرا. Thank you. So and can you see there are so many strange people also here. Maybe they didn't. Ahmed. Say Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak. This is my son. Right?
What more do you want?
And our sheep. Live. Yeah. So I just came here. Numan Ahmed joined. Huh? Yes, Numan. I'm here. You said come live, so I came live. And there is a person, I think he has a mental disorder. He was keep watching me like this.
Hi.
Say Eid Mubarak. Tell your name.
It's Mahmoud Salim,
Mahmoud Salim.
SBC, the new editor.
Saudi Broadcasting Channel. SBC means.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just a minute.
Thank you very much for joining us. It was a pleasure. What's your name?
Sameera. Aziz.
Sameera. Nice to meet you, Sameera. But actually, I'm not good with names, but all good. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
We're going home, safe, inshallah.
It was tough. The 3 days was tough. We were in Arafat and Mina and now in Makkah and now going back to Jeddah
Alhamdulillah.
after 3 days coverage.
Thank you very much.
And you are an editor, right? Editor.
Not really. I'm a Osmo man, but just
Osmo
say.
Big son. Okay. And all right. So now I need to say to all of you goodbye. And thank you so much for being online. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak to all of you. And actually everybody is busy. We are waiting for our transportation, for our bus who will take me all the way to Jeddah. Jeddah is like 45 minutes drive away from here. And everybody is busy. For his phone call. You know, I want you to see this road. This is the main road. We are just the man, without ears. I don't know what the problem this man has. You are viewing it. The haram is there. I couldn't take you there. So this is the Makkah, right? I just did not want to miss the chance to show you the Makkah. So I live here in Saudi Arabia, and this is the Hajj. You know, in the whole Hajj, I was with my both children. I was here in Makkah, and they were also the part of a team who was covering because in our group there were some new talents. We introduced them as well. So my both children also, because my both children, they were working in fun times in Saudi Desert as a child writer. So they have some like media background and media experience that, of course, like mother. So that's why they were also selected. So it was a really very nice couple, like mother, daughter and son, my son. And he was all the time with me. He was, this is my bag. He was carrying my bag and my things. Want to see the way. Yeah.
She just keeps filling it.
Yeah, she just keeps filling it.
Never stops.
ये भरे जाती हैं
I
bag
don't know
को.
where she even brings the stuff.
He wants to say that I don't know from where she's bringing her stuff. ये कहाँ से चीजें ले लेकर आती हैं bag में भरती हैं. So, but he was amazing, and I shared his pictures also in my Snapchat. Sameera.Aziz, Sameera.Aziz, Aziz. You join it, so you will find better Hajj coverage there closely. And I will also, I think Numan will make a video of the whole pictures, and soon he will upload here for all of you. But if you want to see it soon, so you have to join my Snapchat, right? And Isam.
Is this live?
Yeah, this is live.
Hi everyone. How's it going over there? This has been an amazing adventure, and to have superstar Sameera Aziz with us has been just extra amazing. Look out for her reports over the next few days, and you'll just be seeing the job that we did here. Really, it's been wonderful having her here. I mean, somebody such a superstar with an international profile has really been amazing. Thank you, Sameera.
This is our Isam Ghalib, one of the most famous journalists here, and he is, I think, amazing and talented one. And I don't know why you are calling me superstar. I am not. You are actually the star journalist. He's a Saudi star journalist,
Very kind of you to say.
Very kind of you to say about me this. So,
Thank you.
I want to sign up now because now is I think I was online like how many people.
Oh, I gotta go arrange the bus. See you later.
See you later. Bye bye. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Stay tuned.